you imagine a GSIS member nga na ay GSIS Touch. Let's make it shorter, G-Touch na lang. So you imagine a GSIS member as a walking GSIS kiosk. Bit-bit niya yung database niya kung saan man siya pupunta. GSIS Touch still a work in progress. It's not perfect. It's not yet perfect, but it's working. Effective retiree with GSIS Touch na pwede niyang makita yung pension niya on a daily basis. Pwede niyang mag-compute yung future retirement, yung retirement niya on a daily basis. Pwede niyang makita if there are premium underpayments on a daily basis. So kung makita niyo later, ngano na ako underpayments, report dahil ka sa agency. Ngano na ako underpayments sa App Store and Google Play.